Tozama gogo nomkhulu sawula sendoda lesugogo bathini bathi mavula kuvala emzini amadoda Auntie Usha, your number one locksmith. Don't wait until you are too desperate. It's not worth it. It's not worth it. Don't wait. Don't delay things. Don't relax. Don't keep on postponing. Procrastinate. It's not. Procrastinating, it's totally no go. This year, make this year the year for you. The year for you. It's possible. Don't wait until you are too desperate. I love the message I got from the client in Namibia. When I was in Namibia, they were the first couple that I saw in Namibia. And we spoke, we did consultation, we spoke and everything. I gave them treatment, and then we kept on communicating. There's something very interesting that the lady sent me. And to me, it's a typical example of not waiting for yourself to be desperate for help. She said she is already seeing the difference in her life. There's a change that she's seeing in herself, in the husband, in the family, and in the household. I like the household part of things. And I like the fact that this is a woman that is sending this message, talking about the household. Because you must remember, a house, it's a house. However, it becomes a home because of what? A mother, a woman behind it. So now she's talking about the house has become a home. So the difference that she is now seeing in her life, guess what? It's not money. Yes, money is where we are going. It's where we are going. That's where we are going for financial breakthrough. That's what they wanted to achieve. However, it was not just that. They wanted their life to be aligned. And they didn't want to wait until they're desperate, until it's gopo situation, until a snake situation, until I'm a boy situation. They just didn't want it that. They just wanted to grow together, not apart, together, to achieve things together, to see change in them as a family. As a family. One of my friends was asking me, Uguti, Salwaze, what is it that you like to achieve in your life in 2026? Upwards. And I said, it's simple. To me, to Salwa Sendot, to myself, from now onwards going forward, what came to my mind, and it became my residence. It became home on my mind. I want peace. I want peace. I want peace in 2026. I want peace. Lalela, you if you are fighting me in 2026, you must know Guti, you are fighting with my ancestors. Me now, I want peace. That's all I want. Peace. So this lady, she says to me, Gogo, I'm seeing my life getting organized. Gogo, my life is now organized. Gogo, my house is now cleaner than before. Gogo, now my house is organized. I'm able to make things to be fine, everything, to put things together. This is not supposed to be there. What we are cleaning the house even more than I did before. I used to pay too much concentration on my bathroom. Not anymore, Gogo. Now I'm paying attention to everything, and even my husband. That's charming. Yeah? That's charming. Guys, money will always find a conducive environment. Yes, I'm not talking about the money, the one that you need, quick cash. No, I'm not talking about that one. I'm talking about the real wealth will always find home. Will always find home in a conducive environment, in the conducive person, in the conducive home. It will always. So, guys, it is really up to us on what is it that we want to achieve in life. What is it that we want to achieve in life? And I really concur, agree, ngithi yebo mama, that's how things are. Guys, try this just for 1 month. 1 month, just 1 month. I know you want to go to that healer, I know you want to do that, but if you find yourself, you are tired, just before you get too desperate, try to organize your life and you see the difference. Get umuti that will assist you to organize your life. Get umuti that will assist you to organize your life. Go to a person that will assist you to align your life, to look at every aspect of your life, every category, every department of your life, ukuthi it's well organized. Then you'll see what I mean. It's hard time, bogogo nomkhulu, we find ourselves looking at ourselves to say, I want a very organized life. I want to be wealthy. I want to see things happening. Are you conducive? How's your life? Because being wealthy means your finances are organized. Wena yourself, how organized are you? Yes, you want your things to be organized, but wena yourself, how organized are you? Just for 1 month. Wake up in the morning, brush your teeth, make your bed, put your helper on leave, if possible. Do things, arrange things, put things the way they should be. If you remove something, put it back. Just make sure ukuthi anything that won't take time, whether a minute or 5 minutes, that won't take much of the time, do it immediately. Fold your clothes, your dirty laundry, fold it before you put it to what you call a laundry basket. Organize your stuff. If you go to the toilet, make sure with your toilet you leave it clean. If you took that shower, make sure your shower, your bathtub, it's left clean, spotless. You wipe those taps. Just organize your life. When you get into the car, while you are still warming your car, okay, I don't know, I'm using the old car that still needs to be warmed, and I won't move from that. If you are still warming for your car, check the papers, tidy up your car. Just do that for a month. Just align your things just for 1 month, and you'll understand why is it important for you to wait, not to wait for until you are too desperate. Because when you are too desperate, that's when you are becoming toxic. That's when you want to destroy people's lives. That's when you start blaming other people, not doing self-introspection on what went wrong. Where did you contribute in your life for things not to go right? Just do that. You will see how much change you are going to bring yourself in this year 2026 and beyond. Just make those changes. Thokozani. I wish you nothing but all the best. Thokozani.